short. I'll be fast. SC38. Today we are going to dive into data objects and we'll look at a program. Okay. And it shouldn't be that tough to understand it. Okay. But it should be. Okay. ZT59. 12th Jan data objects create ZT59. It's Jan executable. Save local object. Okay, so we are going to see constants. What are constants in a program? And let's see how it works. And then we'll move forward because data objects is an easy area to understand. Okay. And come on. Okay. Data, first name type TY user, value agency. What is TY user? That we have not actually defined. Okay. Uh, let's define it. Let's define that first. How do you define that? Types, TY user, C. Okay. And let's make it 40. Okay.